don't know whether the camera is okay. Hey everyone, me and my mum we're going to Sardinia. It's the first event they're doing in London, and I'm gonna bring you with us. So see you there. See you. So Mother, how do you feel about this event?
I nearly feel at home.
Don't we all?
Welcome to everyone, all our guests that are here to celebrate the Sardinian Day with us today for the first time in London. I'm Luca the president of the Sardinian Embassy of London, and we are an association, a no-profit association. And this is basically a little map that we made for to show you how we spread all around the world. Okay, we don't want to take over the planet, of course, but as you can see, there are 57 associations, Sardinian association in Italy and all over Europe. Of course, it's all about where all the Sardinians went to work and find a new job and to find a better lifestyle. The new one is basically Japan, was opened like 3 months ago, and the biggest one is in Argentina, in Buenos Aires, with 1,100 members, and it's run basically by second, third generation of Sardinian. Sardinia was under the Savoy house, and the situation for the people wasn't great because they were not allowed to have any active role in civil or in the parliament. And what happened the year before is that basically the two French fleets wanted to conquest, let's say, the island, and the local people of Sardinia basically defend the island and won against the French, and the French had to retreat. Because of this, the Sardinian people went to the king asking for more support and be part of the Sardinian parliament, of course. But the king at the time refuses categorically to have anything again, to allow any Sardinian to be in a good position in politics. In the 28th of April, basically, the rebellion started in Cagliari, where all the people started to capture all the Piemonte Savoyard officials around the city. And by the 7th of May, the Sardinian put in a boat 512 officials and sent them back to mainland, going su continente come that's why we celebrate the day, and I'm going to hand over now to Rita and Elisabetta, and we can start the concert. Sorry for the delay.
Oh,
President of the Sardinian Embassy of London, Luca. I'm just going to talk to him for a little bit. It will be in Italian, but I will put the subtitles in English there so everyone will understand. So, grazie Luca per questa intervista, questo piccolo spazio che ci hai dedicato a Sardinia in a nutshell. Allora, prima domanda è: da come è nata questa idea della Sardinian Embassy of London?
Allora, la Sardinian Embassy of London è nata da un progetto regionale chiamato Sardinia Everywhere. Il coordinatore è Andrea Vallebona, che è praticamente venuto a Londra, ha messo in contatto varie persone, ci ha fatto incontrare. Dato che questo progetto comunque promuove la nascita in alcune città europee dove non esisteva ancora un circolo sardo, ci ha riunito, ci ha fatto incontrare e abbiamo il 23 settembre creato l'associazione con un'assemblea e abbiamo approvato lo statuto. Sì, questa è la nascita. Poi il nome naturalmente è stata un'idea dell'assemblea e abbiamo messo a votazioni varie proposte e la Sardinian Embassy of London ha vinto.
Quali c'erano di altro, per curiosità?
Sardinians, poi c'era qualcos'altro, non ricordo, non ricordo questa.
Non importa, ok. Quali sono i goals e gli aim per la Sardinian Embassy of London?
Okay. Gli obiettivi principali per l'associazione sono naturalmente diventare un punto di riferimento per la comunità sarda qui a Londra, naturalmente condividere con tutta la città, quindi con tutti gli stranieri che ci sono a Londra, l'unicità della nostra cultura. Sì, principalmente è questo, naturalmente con vari eventi, attività che piano piano inizieremo a programmare. Siamo nati 7 mesi fa, ci sono varie difficoltà che affronteremo piano piano e sono sicuro che riusciremo a superare.
Certamente. Da quanto è che sei qua in Inghilterra?
Io sono in Inghilterra da 12 anni e passa.
Perfetto. La cosa che ti manca di più della Sardegna, qual è?
La cosa che mi manca di più della Sardegna è difficile da dire, nel senso, dopo 12 anni probabilmente non c'è un giorno che non abbia pensato alla Sardegna. La famiglia sicuramente, gli amici, ma anche tutta la Sardegna come terra, come profumi e tutto quello che c'è attorno.
Ok, grazie mille Luca per questa bellissima intervista. I hope you all enjoyed it and I'll see you later.
Bye bye.
Hey guys, so this is a little later, well, a few days later, a few days after the event. When I came back quite late, so I didn't want to film it whilst everyone else was sleeping. So I just wanted to share a little more about the event, just to say basically that it was really amazing. It was such a good event, such a good atmosphere, everything was perfect. And I really look forward to the next event hosted by the Sardinian Embassy of London. Would like to thank again Luca, the president, and I would like to thank and apologize to Francesca, the vice president, because I was supposed to interview her, but unfortunately, because I needed to leave a little earlier than I expected, time ran out, and so I wasn't able to. But hopefully I will have another opportunity soon. Also, I would like to mention that the Sardinian Embassy of London is looking for new members. So if you're in the UK and you would like to become a member and support this amazing non-profit association, you can do so by emailing the email address here, wherever I put it. If you are a Sardinian person living in the UK, I highly recommend you do so. If you're not Sardinian, if you're not of Sardinian heritage, but you still would like to support this amazing association, you can do so by emailing them again. and ask for more information about becoming a member, even without Sardinian heritage. So if you would like to support them, I urge you to do so. I certainly will. That's it for now. If you enjoyed this little vlog, please let me know in the comments down below so that I can think about more vlogs that I can bring you with me. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends, and if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to ring the bell, because as you know, I don't have much of a schedule, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, I highly suggest you do so, because otherwise I get lost in the multitude of videos on YouTube. For now, that's everything, and I will see you next time. Azibiri! So mother, how do you feel? Mamma, forza, veloce che stanno iniziando.
Non basta, senza forza subito. Che una storia